So today we will take the Fuengirola-Malaga train to Malaga Central and have a look at Castillo Gibralfaro and the observation point in Malaga. If you are planning a visit, interested or enjoy watching these videos on the Costa del Sol, then please like, hit the bell, and subscribe to our channel for regular updates. Have a look at our website for more information on all the resorts, towns and villages, all with Google Maps to direct you from your current location. Traveling by train, it's a 15-minute walk to the path that climbs up to the observation point and Castillo Gibralfaro. If you are driving, there is parking around the port. Have a look at our website for more parking options with directions. The website will direct you to the start of the path. Now just enjoy the climb. So it is a bit of a climb to the observation point, but it's worth it for the views alone. And you're not far from the top and the entrance to the Castillo. So let's keep going. The castle was built by the Moors during their 8th century reign of the peninsula, which started in the 8th century. The Alcazaba lower down was built much later as extra fortifications. There is a charge of a few euros to enter, but Sunday between 2 and 4 o'clock both the castle and the Alcazaba are free to enter. If you are visiting Malaga, this is one to put on your list. Just the size of the place is impressive. If you enjoy these short videos on what to see on Spain's Costa del Sol, then please like, subscribe and hit the bell for more videos. New content is released on a regular basis.
Io lo dico. Non me lo dire. No. Rododendro. Rododendro.
Pianta velenosa.
Sì. Però il nostro non è rododendro.
Malaga is the capital city of the region. It's a stunning and vibrant place with amazing history and impressive architecture. If you are visiting the Costa del Sol, then it's a must. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, so, until next time. Adios amigos. Thanks for watching.